crypto explicitly needs no presentation these days. Throughout the course of recent years, crypto has risen quickly incredibly. It is assessed that Bitcoin SV''S' worth and development will be galactic on the grounds that it truly is so strong and sort of has gigantic truly possible in a sort of significant manner. Contrasted with pretty other resource classes, Bitcoin SV cost is trying to, in a real sense, foresee and delicate to economic situations. In any case, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Bitcoin SV's future. Last month's normal Bitcoin BSV cost for the most part was $42.13, and according to our conjecture, Bitcoin BSV exchanged as kind of high as $79.24 and as beautiful low as 0.00 sort of the month before. In the event that we center around by and large development, Bitcoin SV explicitly developed by 52.29698070634237% very last month. From our last month's Bitcoin SV cost forecast, we anticipated that Bitcoin BSV would proceed with its bullish position ahead, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, Bitcoin SV really is exchanging at $37.38, which could top at $79.86 soon. In view of Bitcoin SV's cost variances, we fundamentally have anticipated that the cost of BSV would develop by $10.74% toward the start of July 2023, or so they thought. During the mid of July, the cost really is supposed to ascend by a limit of $113.61%. Before the month's over, BSV is probably going to develop by $42.19%. In light of Bitcoin SV's cost changes, we really anticipated that the cost of BSV would fall by $10.74% toward the start of July 2023. Amazingly, during the mid of July, the cost is supposed to fall by a limit of $113.61%. Before the month's over, BSV is probably going to fall by $42.19%, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could generally be a limit of $123.96 by 2025, and least value down to $109.22. Which especially is genuinely huge. That being said, the normal BSV cost could secure at $114.74. Bitcoin BSV, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitcoin SV came to $46.40, when it especially dipped under $39.80, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Bitcoin SV is headed to passing the $82.02 mark before the current year is over. Before $82.02, it might sort of break its characteristic of $491.64 and reach, or so they thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitcoin SV will break its past all-time high of $491.64 and hold somewhere in the range of $74.48 and $82.02 soon, or so they thought. At this point, on 24 June 2023, Bitcoin SV especially is exchanging at $37.38, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 295.82 M, and it for the most part makes number 60 cash in the by and large entire crypto world. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2024. There essentially is plausible that Bitcoin SV can get through the $93.89 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Fundamentally the least Bitcoin SV cost will be between $79.87 to $93.89. And the most likely Bitcoin SV cost will be consistent at around $91.88 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitcoin SV's wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper really is adhering to his expectation that Bitcoin SV will reach $93.89. toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that BSV will begin the year at $110.12 and exchange around $135.15, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2026. There for the most part is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal kind of greatest $170.89 level. Bitcoin SV really is anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at an untouched high of $166.85 or $170.89 in 2026. And it could explicitly be the extended time of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2027. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast, or BSV, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it truly can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Bitcoin SV's cost is supposed to outperform $170.89 in 2027, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It has been anticipated that Bitcoin SV will arrive at the very greatest cost of $170.89, and the base cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally be around $143.77 in the following a long time from 2027. Bitcoin SV Gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Bitcoin SV value expectation and specialized examination, Bitcoin SV in a real sense, is supposed to cross a value level of $193.31 in 2028. In the meantime, Bitcoin SV in every practical sense is supposed to arrive at least cost of $177.50 this year in a truly significant manner. The greatest cost might reach $205.28. In an unobtrusive manner, Bitcoin SV, BSV, value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Bitcoin SV value forecast and specialized investigation for the most part anticipate that the expense of Bitcoin SV will truly reach $269.81, and the cost of BSV ought to basically reach $269.81 before the year's over, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Likewise, BSV can essentially reach up to $252.21 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Bitcoin SV development. BSV value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Bitcoin SV value forecast in a real sense are